Hey guys, today is Thursday, October 15th, and you are going to watch a short movie about the monkey's paw. It's a short story. So you're going to watch a movie about it, and it's by the author W. Jacobs, and it's broken into 3 parts. And so here's what you're going to do. You're going to start watching the movie from 0 minutes up to 16 minutes, 35 seconds. Okay, so as you watch the movie, fill out this chart. So when you meet new characters, put their name in here. And when you figure out which one you think is the main character, and really you could make an argument for 2 of these guys, okay? But when you decide which one's the main character, then give a description. And you don't have to write complete sentences on this chart this time around, but you do need to write complete sentences for the questions, okay? So anyway, get the characters down and describe the main character. Then there are 2 countries, 2 different settings where the story takes place. So go ahead and list both of them. And then the main plot takes place in just one of these countries. So give a description of that setting. In the third part, I want you to think about plot. Okay, so what happens before we actually get into the action here? Okay, and that's called the exposition. What happens before the action? Then the rising action, what leads up to the conflict? So insert your ideas here. And then for the climax, which is the main action that all this stuff leads up to, and that happens almost at the end of part 1, tell me what does Mr. White finally do? And remember, we're just looking at part 1 for this chart. Then what is the main conflict? So think about the monkey's paw and what the conflict is. Okay, when you're done with that part, I want you to answer these 4 questions. Describe the internal and external conflict. And for your bell work, you should know internal conflict is the problems that the character is feeling inside, like emotionally. External conflict is if there's a problem between a character and something else outside of himself. Okay. So the second one, what is the moral or lesson that you could learn in the first part? A character, not you. And then on the third question is just a second, there's an announcement.
Miss Farrell and Miss Hager, please bring your students down for pictures, alphabetical.
Sorry about that. Okay, so the third question, tell me what is a potential theme of the story that the reader could learn? And then the fourth part, just give me 1 to 2 sentences that summarizes part 1 of the monkey's paw. Okay, and be sure that you write complete sentences, please. The second part, you can continue filling out your chart from part 1 and the questions, or you can go ahead and pause the movie to finish all this stuff in part 1 and then just enjoy part 2. Okay, so that is from 16 minutes, 35 seconds to 20 minutes, 55 seconds. Okay, so after part 2, part 3 starts on 20 minutes and 55 seconds, and you're going to watch that to the end. This is the third part. Okay, so answer 3 questions here. 1 is, what do the actions of Mr. and Mrs. White reveal about their different expectations for wishes made on the monkey's paw? Okay, identify what hopes or fears these expectations reveal. The second question asks you what the moral is of the main character, Mr. White. Just a second.
Miss Crane's class.
Sorry, I had another announcement. So the second question, what's the moral of the main character, Mr. White? So he's the main character for part 3, okay? And please use evidence from the video to support your answer, but I don't, be sure you're putting it in your own words, so you'll be good because it's a video, obviously. Okay, and then what is the theme of the text or the movie? So be sure you use evidence to support your answer. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this assignment. I love, love, love the monkey's paw.